Would George Washington be stacking Bitcoin? As the nation appears to be in a slow, controlled demolition, we as a people need to take a deep breath, a step back, and revisit the values in which this country was founded on. We have to recapture our fiscal and physical sovereignty as a nation in a brave, peaceful, and eloquent manner. This is the Drewth. Let's get it. Okay. Bitcoin is a decentralized, trustless, secure network and a transfer of value, brand new to the world, created in 2011. Actually, it was created in 2009, technically. It was listed in 2011, but it was created 2008, so it's like not factually correct. 2008 it was designed, and then 2009 it was spoken about, 2011 it was released. So these values have shaped the development and efforts of Bitcoin's financial transaction system to become a more decentralized, secure system for anyone in the world to access. The founding fathers played a pivotal role in the creation of the United States. They believed in limited government. They believed in individual liberty and a free market. Sounds pretty similar to Bitcoin. They also believed in the importance of privacy and checks and balances for a superpower they saw as tyrannical within the English kingdom. Thomas Jefferson famously said in 1802, "I believe that banking institutions are more dangerous to our liberties than standing armies. If the American people ever allow private banks to control their currency, first by inflation, then deflation, the banks and corporations that will grow up around these banks will deprive the people of all property until their children wake up homeless on the continent their fathers had conquered." That hits a little bit different after we've seen the intentions of the World Economic Forum and their intention for own nothing and be happy. When central banks remain unchecked, money creation is privatized and allowed to feed a never-stopping war machine that's constantly growing for fiscal value. This nation was founded on a revolution against taxation without representation. Although taxes stoked colonist anger, the Tea Act itself is not in and of itself what caused the American Revolution. The colonists were angered because the taxes were a way for Britain to pay itself back for financial losses incurred during the French and Indian War. We have been slow-boiled into something much worse in our current day and age. Do you feel like our elected leaders are truly representing you at this point? Today's tax levels: 15% income tax, 8% sales tax, short-term gains tax at 37%, and long-term gains tax at 20% on top of the silent tax, which is inflation on your day-to-day goods and purchases. On top of all that, Biden hopes to raise your taxes by nearly double if he gets his way while in power. Higher taxes would allow him to propagate the proxy war with Russia and China and Ukraine, and soon to come Taiwan. We must stop this irresponsible mode of operation before it's too late. So back to my original question, would George Washington be stacking Bitcoin in today's day and age? Hell yes he would. Bitcoiners shared Washington's distrust of centralized government. Bitcoin operates outside of the control of centralized governments and corporations, allowing for a more free market economy. This aligns perfectly with the founding fathers' intention for a free market economy and a limited government. There's another founding father who deserves extreme recognition in today's day and age. His name is Satoshi Nakamoto. Just like Washington, Satoshi walked away from the immense power he created, and now Bitcoin roams free. For the uncensored version of all my videos, follow me on Rumble, and the link is sure as shit not in the bio of this video, so good luck and take care.